Good afternoon and welcome back to my fluid art channel, Pehar Art. My name's Micky. If you're new to my channel, welcome. So today I have a black base. I've just painted it just to for some coverage. I've just made up some base just with black paint and water. I'm out of Floetrol, so I need to get some more Floetrol. So I've mixed that up. Just going to pour that on first. So let's just pour this on. Hopefully it's enough. Otherwise I'll do some more. Okay. So I might spread it first with the spatula, I think, and then after I spread it with the spatula I'll blow out a little bit of it. Just want to make sure I get everywhere. So it's just hopefully a quick video today, so I just want to make sure I've got everywhere covered. Okay. So if you look at video number 50, I did a painting where I've done a raised stencil underneath and painted on top. So instead of doing the stencil on top of the painting, I've done it underneath. It was an old painting that already has stencil that I put on it, raised stencil. So if you look at video 49, I think it was, I had a painting, which was video number 19, where I resined it, but the resin just messed up in the corner. So all I did was, instead of using more resin, because resin's quite expensive, instead of using more resin, I just decided, and instead of throwing it away, I decided I'm just going to, what's his name, chop it up. I did a 6x6 on a section that I really liked of the painting because it was so pretty, and the rest of it I just made bookmarks with it. So that was quite pretty. So if you have a look at video number 50 and video number 49, also if you'd like to know how I mix my paints with Floetrol and water, that's video number 39. Just mixing my paints just with water is video 37. So there we go. I've just covered that. I'm just going to lower the volume and just blow this out a little bit with the hairdryer. Okay, let's give that a bit of a torch. There we go. So today I'm going to be using Mont Metallic Bronze, Amsterdam Pearl White, Mont Metallic Silver, Amsterdam Pearl Blue, and Mont Metallic Gold. So let's give these a bit of a, so I might start here. Okay. And I might do the pearl white next. Okay, then a bit of the silver. Need to make up some more silver. Then I might do the metallic gold. Okay, and then a bit of the pearl blue. Okay, so let's give that a bit of a torch. Okay, so don't think I'm going to blow the black over this time. I think I might just blow it out. Okay, so label that. That looks good. Might just blow a little bit. This is pretty here. Label that. Just wondering if I need to go off this edge here, because I'm off every other edge except for here. So I'm just wondering, but then I like the blue through there. Do you like that? Yeah, I think I might. Maybe not. Sort of looks like coral. Yeah, no, I might just leave it actually. So that's better. Actually, don't mind that. There's not really much I want to do to fix it. Although maybe I do need to come off this edge a bit. Maybe, I don't know, because I like the blue through here. So I might just leave that. Okay, might just torch. Don't really need to torch much there, just the middle here. Might torch just the middle. I'm going to leave all of that. Might torch the top. And that should about do it. So I'll just scrape my sides. Go all the way around my sides. Get all my drips off. And I'll also touch up my sides as well to where the black hasn't dripped down totally. Okay, so I will bring you down to have a quick look. The blue, so I'll leave the light on for a minute just so you can see the blue. See all that blue through there? That's the pearl blue. That's so pretty there. There's some more pearl blue up there, some more there. Okay, to me it does remind me of coral. Okay, so pretty, that pearl blue. Okay, I've put my flash on, so there's the top. When you come down here, you've got some shimmer from the metallic paint. So pretty, look at that shimmer, look at that pearl blue. Goes on white, but when it's on a black base like that, you can really see it. Some more blue up the top. Okay, we'll come down here. So let me know what you think in the comments below. That shimmer in there. There we go. And I will see you again soon for another pour. But do check out those other videos. Video 50 is the stencil. Video 49 is I framed a section of it and made some bookmarks of the canvas. And video 39 is Floetrol and water, mixing my paints, and video 37 is just paint and water. If you'd like to have a look at that, that is so pretty, look at that. Okay, I will see you again soon for another pour.